Welcome to Activity Time. Today I am going to explain how to boost your system speed with using pen drive. Connect the pen drive to your computer. Right-click on the pen drive icon in File Explorer and select Properties. In the Properties dialog box, go to the Ready Boost tab. Select the Use this device option. Move the slider to select the amount of space you want to use for Ready Boost. Click on Apply and then on OK. Windows will take a few seconds to configure the pen drive for Ready Boost. Once the configuration is complete, your pen drive will be ready to use as Ready Boost on your PC.